tape the bucket to the pole. I'm going to bump that up under the swarm, see if I can catch them in the bucket. And I'm going to bring it down and carefully tip them into the hive I've got there on the blocks. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
And hopefully they'll go down between the frames. I don't know if I've got the queen. Just step back a bit, they're starting to get a bit narky. They may reform back up on the cluster. But some bees are going down in between the frames now. So I don't know if I've got the queen in that cluster. I'll just watch their behaviour for a few minutes. If the queen's there, they might set up home in the hive, and then they'll call all the other bees in. Bees in a swarm are generally fairly safe because they're full of honey, and normally they don't sting like crazy, but I suit it up just in case. It looks like they're going down between the frames. I can't. Well, finding the queen in that lot's going to be like trying to find the needle in a haystack. I think they like it there. There is a small cluster still up there, or it's reforming. So I'll try the same procedure again in a few minutes. But then unfortunately I've got to go to work fairly soon, so just going to have to fingers crossed and hope for the best. And that's my little attempt at catching the swarm.